Euro dollar daily forecast December 6 fxempire.com. The euro dollar pair had an interesting session as we rose originally during the Wednesday trading day, but found the area above the 1.31 level as being far too resistant for the buyers to take out. We see this as the beginning of resistance going up to the 1.3150 level. So this makes sense that we saw a bit of a failure. After all, we've kind of shot straight up over the last several sessions. With this in mind, a pullback really isn't too out of the too overly unexpected, as it would just simply be a continuation of what's been going on. The fiscal cliff talks in the United States should continue to keep a pressure on risk assets, although many risk assets look ready to break out. The truth is it will only take a few negative headlines to send the markets back lower. There does come a point in time when the markets will express their displeasure with what's going on, and risk assets could sell off as a result. Currently, we see the aforementioned resistance up here, but we see the 130 level as being supportive as well. And we also say the same thing about the 129. So, with this in mind, a pullback more than likely will just be that, a pullback to one of these two areas, and will probably just continue to bounce around between now and towards the end of the year. Once December 15th or so hits, though, we really have to question where the fiscal cliff talks are, because the liquidity will start to dry up in the markets. Large firms will be pulling profitable trades out of the marketplace, and it's hard to believe that they will suddenly feel the urge to take a lot of risk just a week or two before they have to report their yearly earnings to their clients. That being said, we think it's going to be fairly quiet, barring some type of headlines. If the headlines are positive, this pair will rise. If the headlines are negative, out of the fiscal cliffs that is, this pair will fall. It's pretty much that simple. We also have to keep in mind that there is an ECB announcement later today. More importantly, the press conference will be interesting, and that will move the markets a bit. The question then becomes whether or not we can actually break out.